This is our MF-1500 Plus MemoryFrame product. It is our 15-inch digital display that has a built-in 1 GB of internal memory and a high definition 1024 by 768 resolution. It is our 15-inch Pro display. So as you can see, it's a great product. It does come with a remote control, and this is the retail box actually for it. So I'm going to give you a 360 view of the retail box in a few seconds. As it turns, you'll see it. That the product has quite a bit of capabilities, and it is one of our best products in the market yet. There's really nothing in the marketplace that replaces this particular unit. Our customers use this as digital picture frame. They also use it as digital sign because it has 1 GB of RAM. I will also next show you the unboxing of this product and what the product looks like in reality. This is unboxing of the MF-1500 Plus, our digital picture frame. Basically, you open the box, the retail box. Go ahead and take all the foams out. Okay, put it down and show you basically how it comes up. Go ahead and take the plastics off. In the back, you open up the tapes. You simply take the product out of its plastic wrapping. As you can see, there is an infrared light right here. This has a beautiful wooden frame that's replaceable. You can change it to what you want. These are the screws that will allow you to change the frame to what you want. In the back, you have the standard Visa mount. You also have the stand that you can put in there. And then if you look on the side we have the mini USB, which also includes a regular USB to mini converter. It has the CF and then other memory cards that you can put in there. Right here is as simple as plugging into the wall outlet. And the sign is controlled by either the remote control that comes with it. This is the on and off button. Up, down. You're also looking at the main menu, and you can put it in autoplay so it can do autoplay. Here's the accessory box that comes with our MF-1500, and inside the accessory box we have the following. We have our power cable, then you have the power supply right here, plugs in the power cable and plugs the other end to the frame, and then inside there is a mini USB to standard USB converted. What's nice about this cable, it allows you to upload your images to the sign without removing the sign off the wall or where it's mounted, because it gives you a convenient little extension to plug in your USB thumb drives in. And then you have the remote control. The remote control is right here that allows you to control the picture frame and the content remotely. And then we include a little white cloth for you to keep your picture frame clean. Okay, so now let's go ahead and set this frame up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this backward on a nice clean surface so you don't scratch it. And then let's go ahead and put in the following, which is the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and put the stand. We'll just go ahead and slide right through here. There's a little button that allows you to adjust the height and the angle of the actual sign. Now don't forget that there is also screws mounts right here that allows you to hook up this either portrait or landscape style. So now go ahead and plug in the power, which is right here, and then we'll plug the other end to the wall. Okay, I have these files on my computer. As you can see, I'm running Windows XP and I have these files. Some of them are just JPEG files, as you can see. They're .jpeg, right? But then I have an MP3 file, as you can see. And I also have a movie file called Christmas. So it's right here. So basically, I'm going to copy all of these files over to my SD card. And then I want to put this SD card inside the MF-1500 Plus and see how it will play. Basically what it will do, it will play all the files in sequence. It will play the movie file. When it reaches to the audio file, we'll play the audio file and then continue on playing all these pictures, as you can see. So the frame does a very good job doing an amazing job with handling many different types of memory. As you can see, this frame has many options that you can load your content from. For instance, your content source can be a CF card, it could be a SD or MMC card, MS, SD, USB, and then the generous internal 1 GB NAND memory, where you store pictures, photographs, and videos, and perhaps your audio files to play from. So depending on what you have plugged in, it gets highlighted. I've selected NAND, which is this right here, and I'll go ahead and use the keys in the back and basically select, and I have the ability to play photos, music, video. I can open up a file, look at the calendar, and so in this case, let's say I want to go ahead and play the photos. It actually allows me to see all the photos that I've got loaded in the NAND memory. So in this case, I have these slides loaded, and as you can see, it shows me all the slides that I got loaded here. Although this frame has the ability to play larger files, like in this case, it can play 1200 by 900 pixels, but we recommend that you optimize your pictures to 1024 by 768. That will display best when it's actually playing. Here's the MF-1500 Plus playing beautiful photographs. Just note that the photographs has to be at 1024 by 768 resolution, so they display best on the screen. And as you can see, it's just a gorgeous graphics. The key features is generous internal memory. It has a nice 15-inch display, and as you can see, it's just a gorgeous way of playing just pictures. Next, I will show you how this digital frame actually plays videos. So off of this menu, as you insert different devices, these things allow you to go back and forth. Right now, the memory NAND is default, but I got an SD card that has a movie clip on it. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the side of the unit. As you can see, I have the ability to do that, and you just kind of make sure it's in the right direction and then push it in. Once it's pushed in, as you can see, now the SDMMC is highlighted. I have the ability to select it, and it will play the movie clip off of that. And again, I'm going to use these buttons up and down and then selections to go ahead and select them. Now we're going to go ahead and select to play off of this device. So we go ahead and use the side keys, select. I want to go ahead and either play photos, music, or video. So I'm going to go ahead in this case use the up and down arrow key, go to video, and then go ahead and select it. And as you can see, that's the Christmas JPEG file video. I'm going to turn off the light for the best image. As you can see, it plays the video beautifully. I'll go ahead and turn on the light so we can see a little bit of ambience back. So this is the MemoryFrame 1500 Plus playing video in a beautiful resolution and quality. And using these keys to go up and down to select the menus, and then our SD memory card that's right here.